Hey there, my name is John Cooper, and I'm a personal injury lawyer who does a lot of cases involving concussions and traumatic brain injuries. One thing in the literature, the medical literature about TBIs that's confusing is they often use a scale called the Glasgow Coma Scale, which is an assessment at the scene or in the emergency room about some very crude measurements about whether you know what day of the week it is or who the president is. And although that may show that you're not in a coma, it doesn't necessarily mean that you haven't suffered a serious personal injury to your brain. So sometimes we talk about these cases as being mild TBIs, mild traumatic brain injuries, but mild is really an unfair word to use because sometimes mild traumatic brain injury, as categorized by the doctor, can lead to permanent and very serious effects on your quality of life and your health. So recognize that even though the doctor may have labeled it as mild traumatic brain injury, it doesn't mean it's not serious, and it doesn't mean that you don't need treatment and proper care to make sure to address the very serious symptoms that can arise from a concussion.
Your injury, our fight. Cooper Hurley Injury